Hello viewers, hope you're well. Today in this video, I'll try to share how to set up Facebook checkout event tracking. Okay, so let's see how to track it. So at first we need to create this tag, but we don't have a tag, so that's why we're just copy and track. So I'm just trying to this tag copy. So I'm just clicking the three dot icon and just copy and just remove this name and selecting the checkout. And just I need to some changes like a standard event initial checkout. So I'm trying to find initial checkout. Also, we need to change the trigger, right? So I will obviously create the new trigger. Okay, so yeah. Also, I'm just trying to trigger find out. So go there. Need to change and FB checkout trigger. Okay, checkout trigger. So already I'm using this, but right now we need to some array. So at first we need to this array create. Okay, so I will try to create this e-commerce ads and just copy this code and save also obviously. So I'm trying to some variable at first create. Okay, so we need to create the variable. This way I'm go there. Just click in the new variable in the user defined variable. Okay, so I'm just use the code, the data layer, and just paste this code. So this is the DLB item array. So I'm just use the code. Okay. So right now we need to trigger tag, okay, and use this code in the checkout section. We need to create there. Okay, we need to the variable also create in the JavaScript variable. Okay, so custom JavaScript. I need to this type of code use. So I'm just copy this code and paste here. I just need to remove that and use DLB item array. Okay, so I'm just use this code the product name. Okay, because I'm return the item array. Return the item ID, right? So this is the item ID. Just I'm just product ID. Use this, and also we need to change the custom event, and just also need to product name. Okay, so I'm just copy, paste, and use the value. We need to product name. So process product. Okay, item. Yeah, same. So I'm just use the code. There will be items I use. This name just I'm send the unique name send. Also right now need to add like that checkout, then come need to also some parameters. So this parameter name is the obviously product ID and product name. Okay, so yeah, this one not on the CD as the product name, product ID, and as a multiple for niche. Okay, so and use this. Right now we will save and check actually is working. So I'm just first of all cleaning our activity and at first I'm the submit. Okay, our submit is finished. Right now we will check again. So I'm just refresh there and you can see our already view item is fired. Hopefully you can see view content and I'm just clicking the add to cart. Also hopefully you can see the add to cart is fired, no issue because when you see that hopefully you can see. Okay, so you can see already add to cart is fired and see add to cart is fired. So I'm just clicking the checkout. Hopefully checkout event is fired also. So when I just click, you can see checkout is fired. Okay, so BDT and value is this. So you can see our value 3000 also is matched. Also we are checking the initial checkout is fired or not. And also even when I come at this data, hopefully you can see this. Okay, so yeah, you can see this also. Okay, so actually our initial checkout tag is fired. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you have any question and if you need any help or any service, you can feel free contact with me. I will try to help you. Already, this is my channel. So you can contact with me the once. See you in another video. Bye bye.